Are you passionate about property investment? Do you want to make it your career, help others, and have amazing work flexibility? Then this job is for you. At Integrity Property, we understand that success stems from passion and dedication. That's why we offer comprehensive training programs to equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to excel in the property investment industry. Say goodbye to the traditional office environment and hello to the freedom of working from home. At Integrity Property, we understand the importance of balancing work, family, and personal passions. That's why we offer you the flexibility to tailor your schedule to suit your lifestyle. Meet Damien, a former Army officer in the Australian Defence Force. Damien embodies the spirit of Integrity Property. He transitioned from a successful military career to pursue his passion for helping others invest in property, setting the stage for a rewarding and impactful journey. Join us and experience firsthand the passion and dedication that drive Integrity Property investment to make the path to wealth creation as smooth and rewarding as possible. Join our dynamic team today and become part of a success story that's changing lives. Take control of your future with Integrity Property investment. Your journey to success begins here.